All right. I just wanted to show you all what I was doing. And check this out. This is what's up with an old 100-year-old house. So we took this parging off. It wasn't sticking. It was cracked and not breaking, not sticking in a couple of spots. And so I just started peeling it off and found that this is some of this is able to come out like so. Kind of nice when your foundation, one of your foundation walls just comes out like that, isn't it? So thought, well, might as well kind of take it out and see what we can do. So not gonna make it worse. I don't think that's possible. So anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna kind of take these out and you can watch along. Somebody driving by, and watch along with me here. And yeah, let's see what happens. Hopefully my house doesn't fall down on me while I'm doing this. So there's this, and then there's this foundation wall behind that as well. So some of this is just let's see, where's I got a chisel somewhere. There it is. Let me go get my chisel. And I got my hammer, and Bailey's out here chilling with me. And got a couple of, these are more like clay, like real clay bricks. So I'm gonna try to replace at least some of those with some other stuff that I have. Let's see here. I'm not sure how far down this wall is not really on. I had some plants that were up against these that seem to be down in here. You can see some of these like that. There's a plant root. It's all the way down in there. So I was trying to take those out as well. It's not very helpful, the old foundation. Mom, you'd like all the spiders that are in here. Lots of spiders. That's a fun time. Let's see, I'll put that one. It's interesting, these bricks will just sit there and bubble. So I need to get this clean. just filling in these cracks. These aren't bad at all. I just figured since I had it open, I would go ahead and fill them. Kind of a little bit of a pain to fill.
Where's your little tool?
Well, I got it right here, but it's even too skinny for my tool. I got this skinny little tool. It's supposed to fill, but you can also use your hands. It's just not as neat. A little more messy. That's what it is. I'm gonna go over this anyways. I'm gonna parge this stuff since it's been parged before, and there's some stuff that I need to fill in. It's a little, makes it a little ugly. You always wonder, how long does it really take when they're... I was watching a guy dig a trench in YouTube video yesterday. It's like, how long did that take? It must have taken quite a while. I think the guy said it was he dug it by hand, like a 56-foot thing or something. Quite substantial. On?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. This is back to this part of the house. I went ahead and took this, went ahead and dug down a little bit because this brick was, you could tell this was just kind of decayed. As you can see. Kind of turned them back into dirt. So he's like, well, get that.
We do have a few bricks around this house.
Out of there, yeah.
So we should be able to fill in.
Replace those.
It's crazy how absolutely soft some of them are.
Yeah.
And then how other ones seem perfectly great, you know, like
yeah, it's very odd.
Solid after 100 years. Because yeah, there's another chunk of brick that's obviously completely.
Yeah, this one's pretty soft. This one I could tell was. Yeah, this is a broken one. I don't know if that was just the way it was. That one. specifically or what? Because yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, because it seems kind of hard.
Maybe
Most of it.
broken already. 'Cause this one's the next one, and it's solid. It's a full one. I don't know. Okay, I wanted to show you the final kind of ending of this corner because my deal stopped on me. So here it is. Here's kind of the final product. It still hasn't completely dried right there, but that's with it all back in, and hopefully it'll be good to go. So we got some rain yesterday, so we had to kind of do that, and yeah, but there it is, my masonry work.